5 Best Tool for Copywriters. 5. Grammarly. Grammarly is a popular tool that helps copywriters to improve their writing by checking for grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and punctuation errors. 4. Hemingway Editor. Hemingway Editor is a web-based app that helps copywriters to write clear and concise content. 3. Trello. Trello is a project management tool that can be useful for copywriters. It allows you to organize your writing projects and collaborate with team members. 2. Google Docs. Google Docs is a free cloud-based word processor that offers many useful features for copywriters. 1. Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a WordPress plugin that helps copywriters to optimize their content for search engines. It provides suggestions for improving the readability, structure, and keyword usage of your content, which can help to improve your search engine rankings. Thank you.